Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve a lead code problem number 1952 called 3 divisor. I will first explain the problem in simple words. Then I will carefully walk through the solution in CPP and finally test it with some examples. And so let's get started. The problem is asking us, given an integer n, then it returns true if n has exactly three positive divisors. Otherwise, return false. Now, what is a divisor? A divisor is simply a number that divides n completely with no remainder. For example, if n is equals to 2, its divisor are 1 and 2. That's only two divisors. So the answer is false. And if n is equals to 4, its divisor are 1, 2 and 4. That's exactly three divisors. So the answer is true. So the task is clear. We need to count the divisor of n and check it with if the count is equals to 3 or not. So now that we understand the problem, let's move on the code and see how we can implement this idea step by step. So let's get started with the code. Here I have created a class named solution and inside it a function is 3 where takes an integer n and returns a boolean value. Next, I have declared a variable count and set it with 0. This variable will keep the track of how many divisors the number has. Now, we use a for loop that starts from 1 and goes up to n to see if divisors end completely. Inside the loop, we check if n module is I is 0. If yes, then I is a divisor of n. Whenever that happens, we increase the divisor count by 1. This ends the loop. By this point, we have checked every number and counted all divisors of n. After counting, we check if the total number of divisors is exactly 3. If it is, we return true. And if the number of divisor is anything other than 3, we return false. That completes our solution. Now that the code is ready, let's test it with some example to confirm if it works correctly. For n is equals to 2, the divisors are 1 and 2. That's only two divisors. The result is false. And for n is equals to 4, the divisors are 1, 2 and 4. That's three divisors exactly. So the result is true. The code works just as expected, and that's how we solve the LeetCode problem 3 divisor. We started by understanding the question, then step by step went through the solution, and finally tested it with examples. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more coding walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.